Everyone thinks that to lead in the age of AI, you need to become more technical, learn to code, master every AI model, keep up with everything. But here's the truth. The less technical you try to be, the more powerful you become as an AI leader. I learned this firsthand during my time at Amazon Alexa over 10 years ago. I ended up building over 100 applications that help bring to life AI for millions of users. I went on to work at Microsoft and helped launch some of the largest AI models in the world, and even served as a beta tester on ChatGPT during COVID. And what I've uncovered is that the leaders who rise the fastest, they aren't the engineers. They're the ones who know how to guide people with strategy and responsible AI adoption. And that's exactly why I created the AI Leadership Essentials program. It's 12 masterclasses, everything from sales and marketing powered by AI to AI red teaming and AI solutions design. We also are offering 3 certifications from the AI Leadership Institute, practical hands-on certifications in the area of Agentic, Practitioner, in the area of responsible AI leader and AI solutions architect, one of the fastest growing roles in the world. We are also, and this is probably my favorite part, giving you an opportunity to get credentialized, to get a stamp of approval from the largest cloud providers and AI providers in the world. You will get a certification and preparation for passing the Azure AI Fundamentals exam. You'll also get the AWS AI Practitioner exam and the Google Generative AI Leader exam. Imagine walking into 2026 with the opportunity to get certified not just 3 times through our organization, but also attain the credentials from the largest AI providers in the world. Now, we also want to make sure that you have the easiest path to success, and we do that by providing you a community. The AI Leadership Institute community contains hundreds of leaders just like you, and it also creates an opportunity for you to join a small group and hold yourself accountable for the goals and dreams you have set for yourself this year, all without having to need to dive into becoming a technical expert, learning to become a data scientist, or falling in love with math. Now, here's the best part. If you join us today, we have something very special we've created for you. You have a chance to get access to something pretty special. Now, these bonuses are actually only available to the first 100 people that join the program, and we are stopping enrollment at the end of the year, December 31st. But if you are one of the first 100 and you've done it before December 31st, these bonuses could change the trajectory of not only your career, but of your life. This program is actually a year long, but we decided one of the best gifts we can give you in the early part of the year is to develop a 90-day accelerator. This 90-day accelerator is going to allow you to get 3 certifications from Amazon, Microsoft, and Google, all by the end of Q1. Now, that is pretty exciting. You also will get access to our AI-powered Design Your Life session. This happens in the early part of January and helps you reverse engineer your success in 2026. Now, the last thing we offer you as a bonus for those of you who sign up right now, you will also get access to the latest versions of our responsible AI leader certification workshop and our AI solution architect workshop. So technically by Q1, you could have attained 5 of our 6 certifications, but only if you take advantage by the end of the year. Otherwise, January 1st, all the bonuses are gone. We will be moving on to other things, and we'll really be moving on to delivering the value this product and this program provides. But if you are looking for an opportunity to become the leader that everyone turns to grow your brand and really solidify your understanding and clarity in building AI solutions, now is the time. So stop trying to focus on learning to be more technical, especially if that's not your normal path, if it's not something you actually want to do, but instead become the AI leader that your organizations are looking for. Become the AI leader that understands what it takes to build safe, responsible, and profitable AI systems at scale. We can't wait to see you. Apply below, and we look forward to seeing where your journey in AI takes you in the coming year.